So, you've been told that wearing the right outfit will make you stand out to guys, but what you actually end up doing is looking like you raided your mom's closet from 1995. And don't even get me started on Dress for Success. You know, those generic wear red articles that make it sound like all you need is one color to unlock a guy's attention, like some sort of fashion cheat code. But here's the thing. What if I told you that you can actually wear colors that instantly make a guy notice you without looking like you're trying too hard? No, it's not magic, and it's not just about picking some random shade of lipstick. The secret is in the psychology of color, and when you get it right, you'll leave him wondering if you've got some kind of superpower, ready to find out which colors can stop him in his tracks without making you look like a walking billboard. Let's break it down. Number 1, red, the color of passion. Imagine this. A woman walks into a room, and the instant she does, something shifts. The air feels charged. Conversations pause. All eyes are on her. She's wearing a stunning red dress, and without saying a single word, she has everyone's attention. That, my friend, is the undeniable power of red. Red is more than just a color. It's an emotion. It symbolizes passion, confidence, and attraction. It's bold, vibrant, and impossible to ignore. Studies have shown that men are biologically wired to respond to red. It's a color that screams energy, desire, and intensity. When you wear red, you're not just dressing, you're commanding attention. But here's the best part. You don't need to save red for special occasions. A touch of red, whether it's a bold lipstick, a pair of fiery heels, or a crimson scarf, can transform your energy and presence. Red says, I'm here and I'm making an impact. So let me ask you, do you have a red piece in your wardrobe that makes you feel unstoppable? If not, it might be time to find one. When you wear red, you're not just wearing a color, you're making a statement. Type red in the comments if you love this power-packed hue. Number 2, green, the shade of freshness and harmony. Picture this. You're out for a casual coffee date, and someone walks in wearing a soft green sweater. It's not loud or attention-grabbing, but there's something about them that draws you in. They seem grounded, relaxed, and effortlessly stylish. That's the charm of green. Green is nature's color. It symbolizes balance, growth, and harmony. It has a calming effect, making people feel at ease. Men are drawn to green because it feels fresh and authentic, like someone who is confident yet connected to the world around them. Whether it's a soft mint top, a luxurious emerald dress, or an earthy olive green jacket, green is a versatile and inviting color. It's all about balance and authenticity. So, what's your go-to shade of green? Do you love the softness of pastels? Or are you more drawn to the richness of deeper tones? Whatever your choice, green is a subtle yet powerful way to captivate attention while staying true to yourself. Type green in the comments if this fresh hue speaks to you. Number 3, pink, the power of feminine charm. In a world full of colors, pink might just be the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. Multiple studies have shown that men are particularly drawn to pink because it's perceived as feminine, soft, and ultra-girly. It's a color that makes a statement without shouting. I remember one woman who conducted her own little experiment. She wore a soft pink outfit to a bar one evening, and the results were fascinating. More drinks were bought for her that night than when she wore any other color. And guess what? She's planning to repeat the experiment just to be absolutely sure. You've got to love a little fun with science, right? The thing is, pink doesn't just convey sweetness, it can also signal approachability and warmth. Men seem to feel a certain kind of attraction to the light-hearted feminine energy that pink radiates. It's a color that says, I'm confident, I'm fun, and I'm not afraid to embrace my softer side. Number 4. Peach and coral. The warmth of soft citrus. Coming in a close second to pink, we have the soft, inviting shades of peach and coral. These colors hold a special place in the world of color psychology because they share a similar charm with pink, but with a bit more warmth and vibrancy. Peach and coral are hues that remind us of sunrises, soft sunsets, and warm summer days. They carry that same approachable feminine energy, but with a little more zest. Like pink, these colors are seen as cheerful, light-hearted, and effortlessly flattering. But here's the thing. Peach and coral are especially effective for those with warm undertones in their skin. If you have cool coloring, you might want to stick with pink. But if your skin has those golden, warm tones, peach and coral can elevate your look in a way that's both vibrant and refreshing. Think of it as wearing a color that mirrors the energy of a fresh, sunny day. Radiant, joyful, and full of life. Number 5. Blue, the color of calm and trust. Imagine this. You're on a first date, a little nervous, but you're wearing a soft blue dress. The atmosphere feels perfect. The lighting, the music, the conversation, it flows effortlessly, and you can tell he's completely at ease with you. There's an unspoken connection. That's the magic of blue. Blue is the color of trust and calm. It creates an atmosphere of security, making people feel comfortable and open. Men are naturally drawn to blue because it signals stability and reliability, qualities that build lasting connections. Whether it's a powder blue blouse or a deep navy blazer, blue is the perfect way to make a confident yet subtle statement. What shade of blue speaks to you? Is it the calming light blue or the commanding depth of navy? Whichever you choose, blue will effortlessly capture attention without trying too hard. It's all about trust and calm confidence. Type blue if you're on Team Blue, and let's see which shade comes out on top. Number 6. Black, the shade of mystery and elegance. Now picture this, a dimly lit dinner party, the soft hum of jazz playing in the background, and there she is, dressed in all black. She isn't the loudest person in the room, but somehow she commands attention. Her outfit speaks volumes without uttering a word. Who is she? What's her story? That's the effect black has on us. Black is timeless. It's the embodiment of elegance, sophistication, and mystery. When you wear black, you're not trying to stand out. You're quietly drawing people in. It's the perfect balance of power and allure. Men are especially drawn to black because it exudes confidence while maintaining an air of intrigue. Whether it's a sleek black dress, a tailored blazer, or a pair of perfectly fitted jeans, black has a way of instantly elevating your look. It's effortless, yet impactful. What do you think? Is black overdone, or is it the ultimate classic? Type black in the comments if this shade is your go-to for sophistication. Let's see how many fans of timeless elegance we have here. Conclusion. So there you have it, 6 colors that can instantly capture a man's attention and leave a lasting impression. Whether you're looking to turn heads with the fiery power of red, exude confidence and mystery in black, or create a calming, trust-filled vibe in blue, the right colors can do more than just complement your look. They can completely change the way you're perceived. And remember, it's not just about wearing any color, but about how you wear it and how it makes you feel. Your style is a reflection of your confidence, and these colors can help you communicate exactly what you want.